TFNN. Headline News Update.
Hi everyone, Basil Chapman on this Friday, April the 9th. My pleasure to be here. This is the Tiger Financial News Network 10 a.m. update. We're looking at the Dow up 88 points at an all-time high. Really important in the Chapman Wave methodology. Why? Because we've just made our leg E in the Dow, but we were waiting for the diamonds, the DIA, to get to a leg D. It just did that. We were waiting for the S&P to get to a leg D. It's already done that. It's extended it a little bit today. Why do I talk about D? Because the fourth highest peak is where we've got to be a little bit cautious. Other things can happen, but what I'm really looking at is, look at the technicals. The S&P daily, the MACD, the moving average convergence divergence, very strong. Stochastic at 97.58. That's 2.32 off 100%, which it never reaches. This is about the highest it gets. But if it's here and it's flat, that's a good sign. So far, we're looking at least the Dow and the S&P doing very well. Look at the QQQ. The QQQ, the NDX 100, pulling back, but it's down 40 cents. At 334.58, made a recovery high yesterday at that peak D, but it's a 338.19 high of the 16th of Feb. So what we've seen is there's a rotation going on. There's a correction actually been going on. And what we had seen is that the Qs had a sharp fall from 338, the NDX 100, down to the 297 level. And now there's a very good rebound, but the IWM is still in its consolidation phase. 234 down to 208. Now it's rebounded a little more than 50%, kind of stuck here. So this rotation I'll talk about in my show coming up, the Tiger Ignitions Hour. Plus, on Thursday a week for subscribers only, subscriber webinar, I'm talking about chart formations and patterns that we can look at. And I'm going to be practicing them live, showing them, and you can request them. It's just going to be a really interesting day. Look at gold. Gold is down 17 at 1740. Not a big deal, but it's this pattern that I was looking at. I drew it before. It's this lowercase h that can go to a lowercase m pattern, and the dollar is finding a little bit of strength today. It is up 20 ticks, holding support, and that's good. Crude oil's not going anywhere right now. It's just kind of stuck, and we're going to be talking about bonds when we get back. Tiger Ignitions Hour coming up. Hope to see you there. Otherwise, have a wonderful weekend. See you Monday. But I actually hope I see you in a couple of minutes for the Tiger Technicians Hour. And check out my opening call, my daily newsletter. We had a bit of a screamer today that you were able to get. Be back.